Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every jobs for all sector. It will be government sector, it will be private sector, as well as engineering jobs, as well as PSU jobs. For every section I will post the latest news in my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. Today, I am going to discuss about Capgemini's recruitment drive for 2020 and 21 batch. You all aware that Capgemini has published their off-campus drives application link. Today, I will help you with their recruitment process, few tips and pseudocode question answers, etc. so that you can get rough idea about it. Please subscribe my channel to get this type of tips. Let's jump into this session. So Capgemini have changed their entire syllabus for 2021 hiring. We have updated this article based on latest Capgemini placement papers of 2021. They have removed various sections from their placement process and have introduced some new sections. So make sure you go through this entire article as well as this entire video. Capgemini paper pattern and curriculum, I will discuss a brief about it. So you will get 4 sections from this category. One is pseudocode. There will be 20 questions and it will be given 20 minutes to solve it. And the difficulty level will be medium, and then there will be English communication test. So the question may varies in this section. So for this category you will get 15 to 20 minutes to solve it, and for this category also the difficulty level is medium. Next you will go to the game based aptitude test. So 4 games out of 24, so you will get 20 to 24 minutes and the difficulty level will be high. And next comes the behavioral competency test. So the questions may vary in this section. You will also get 15 to 20 minutes to solve this, so it has also difficulty level as high. So now I am discussing few questions about Capgemini placement rounds. So which platform is used by Capgemini for conducting these placement rounds? Capgemini has been using CoCubes as the first round of the placement since the last few years in Capgemini test papers with solutions. Thus, you should be studying from CoCubes Capgemini previous year's papers. Okay, so next question is coming in your mind also, that what is the average difficulty for Capgemini previous papers. These are hosted by CoCubes, so instead of Capgemini previous papers, we need to analyze CoCubes papers, which generally is of moderate difficulty level. Thus Capgemini previous papers are also of same difficulty, but you must have at least give 1 week of preparation to crack it. So now I will try to discuss about few questions from the pseudocode category and the pseudocode MCQ test pattern of the Capgemini round. So pseudocode test Capgemini is newly introduced round for the placement season. So Capgemini used C, C++ and OOPS for this round, and you will get this portion of this paper is a little bit difficulty, and Capgemini pseudocode round has 20 questions need to be solved in 20 minutes. So under this pseudocode category you will get 1 to 10 questions, and next comes the data structure questions. So you will get 2 sections in the pseudocode category portion. One is normal MCQ based question. Next category is you will be given by some part of the code, you need to solve that is the data structure questions. You will get those questions in the 11 to 20th number question. So now I will give you a few sets of questions which may help you to study further, to get prepared further. So the number 1 question is, consider the following piece of code. So you can see there is a function is mentioned, and some integer variable is defined, and there is a for loop. So you just need to print the sum value. So you can see the green marked answer is the correct one answer. I'm going to the next question. So here is also another pseudocode. Here is also one function is mentioned and you need to tell the return function's value. So you can see the third option is the correct one here. For the next question, it is another pseudocode question. So you can see you need to print some value after checking that value. So here is the fourth option is the correct one. For the next question, it is also another pseudocode question. Here is the first option is the correct one. So this type of C types function questions, this type of questions will come in the pseudocode category. Just have a look in these question sets so that you can get a brief idea about how you need to crack this exam, how you need to practice more and more. You will get that idea from this type of questions. So here you can see in the question number 5, you need to print the average chain length of the hash table. So before going to this portion, you need to prepare the hash table concepts in the C. So you can see the first option is the correct one. For question number 6, here also the data structure is very much important subject for you. So you need to learn the depth first search before jump into this question. So the question answer is the third option is the correct one. For the question number 7, you need to again check the sorting algorithm as well as the data structure portion you need to focus on. So you can see the third option is the correct one. For the question number 8, you will get the piece of code and you need to tell what is the traversal order, or which is you can see it is a part of question of the Java. So you can get an idea that all the languages are used here: C, C++, Java, OOPS concept. So here the third option is the correct one. So this type of code question you will also get, like you can see there is a portion of the code from the logic of binary search tree. You will get that from the algorithm section. So you already know that the correct option is A. So in this type of questions you will get in pseudocode section of Capgemini placement round. So stay tuned with my channel and it will help you guys to grow more further. So that's it. Thank you for watching this full video. Stay tuned with us and subscribe our channel to get latest updates and press the bell icon button so that the first notification will reach you as soon as we are uploading the latest news in our channel. Thank you.